What's in your refrigerator? You are what you eat. Chicken at the bottom, watermelon, cucumbers, cherries, peaches, limes, hot peppers, eggs, farm raised, and jam that's made from home. You are what you eat. It's a lifestyle, it's not a diet. Show me your refrigerator.
The salt that you use pulls the water out of your body. The salt that I use pulls water into the cell. That's the difference between the salt. That sodium stuff and all that stuff that they add to your food don't do nothing but dehydrates the body. This actually helps the body. Spring water is better than distilled water, boiled water. Well, if it's better, then drink it. And like I told you, I'm not here to argue with you. You look like you do because of you. I look the way I do because of the way I eat and everything else. I'm showing you. Distilled water conducts electricity. Spring water doesn't. So if you want to sit there and argue, argue. You ain't got proof. Proof is I'm 47. 47 years old. You got to remember that. Neck surgery. See my legs? This is 47. Not working out. No drugs. You see my body? This is my body at 47 years old. This is the way I eat. So if I choose to eat this way and look this way, that's me. So you can continue drinking your spring water and saying whatever you want to do, but it doesn't work. Yes, as long as you make your own pickles. I could have made these into pickles, but I just put the vinegar at the bottom and salt and stuff and just left it. I didn't add no sugar to it. Thank you. Yep, spring water McDonald's. Keep on. Get a number 3 and 4 and 5 too. The proof is in front of you. Yes, I eat cooked food. I use a lot of cast iron. It's hanging up all in the house. You're supposed to cook out of cast iron. It's not reading. This comes from life experiences. This comes from me being a power lifter and bodybuilder for almost